Slowly and clearly, we have come to the series of 8, learning almost 15 to 20 words in every series. So, the Cambridge word list again. Let's begin. Word 1. We will again have a word. We will understand the meaning. We will also have the parts of speech of it so that you clearly frame your sentence. And we will understand two synonyms, two antonyms, and a sentence usage of it. So here comes the first word, as valuable as. That means equal in importance or worth. It is a phrase. A phrase is a group of words. So the parts of speech, POS, is parts of speech. The parts of speech is, it's a phrase. The synonyms are equally important or equally precious. Antonyms are less valuable or worthless. That means no value. Sentence, clean water is as valuable as gold in many dry regions. Now, let us just ask a question. Why do we require comparative degrees? Like this one, as followed by as. We want comparative degrees to while we make a comparison of two things to enhance our speaking, to be more confident, to bring a clear picture between two objects or two people. In that way, comparative degrees are very, very essential. So please try to incorporate them either in your speaking or writing. Right. Next. Similarly, the comparative degree as and as. What happens here? This is a structure showing two things which are equal in comparison. The parts of speeches, it's a grammar structure. It's a type of writing a sentence. The synonyms are equal in comparison or something which is same in degree. Antonyms are more than or less than. Sentence, my handwriting is as neat as my sister's. So instead of saying my handwriting is neat and my sister's handwriting is also neat. So instead of saying two different sentences, you make it one complex sentence with a comparative degree followed by as and as. The third word is an umbrella term, a word that includes many related meanings. It's a noun phrase. Synonyms are broad term or general category. Opposites are specific term. That means something which is very particular, something which is very specific. Another meaning is narrow term. Let's see, understand this in a sentence. Transportation is an umbrella term that includes trains, buses, and planes. So it's a broad term, it's a general word which is used for all types of rail transport, road transport, and air transports. How beautiful the word is, an umbrella term. Word number 4 is derived. Derived, that means something which is taken or developed from another source. That is, the origin is something different. The main source is something different. Then you say derived. It is an adjective. The ed word does not make it as a past tense. We have to understand this grammar difference. All the ed words are not verbs. Verbs in the past form. They are adjectives also. Like we have the word here, derived. What is the meaning of it? It is originated or taken from. Antonyms are original or primary. The sentence is, the English word audio is derived from Latin. The other word is not only. Not only, that used to add another equal idea. It is a phrase. Phrase again is a group of two words. Synonyms are also as well as. Antonyms are only or merely, merely. We also have a word which is mere, mere. That means only. Merely is also only. Sentences, she is not only smart but also kind. The phrase not only is always carried with but also. So it is not only but also. The sixth word is soaring. Soring. Soaring. Again, see, ing does not mean that it is present continuous or past continuous. It is an adjective. This kind of parts of speech command is very important if you are taking PTE examination or any other bank examinations. What is soaring? Soaring is rising very fast. Synonyms are increasing rapidly or increasing sharply. Antonyms are for falling or decreasing. The sentences, the soaring cost of rent worries many families. That means the rising price of rents is a concern to many families. Next word is viable. Viable. Viable is able to work successfully, which is an adjective. Synonyms are practical or workable, and antonyms are unworkable and impossible. Wind energy is a viable option in coastal areas. That means an option which can work very successfully. That is called as viable. Word 8. Fossil fuels. The fuels made from ancient remains like coal, oil, or gas. Those sort of ancient remains are called as fossil fuels. It is a noun phrase. Synonyms are petroleum fuels, coal, and oil. Antonyms are renewable energy or solar power. Sentence, countries are reducing fossil fuels to protect the environment. Dramatically, it is something which is noticeable or something which is very sudden in a way. It is an adverb. Synonyms are significantly or greatly. Antonyms are slightly or slowly. Sentence, rainfall increased dramatically last year. Word 10, soak up. Soak up. It is a phrasal verb. We have a verb which is soak and we have a up word which is a preposition. A verb and a preposition together make a phrasal verb, the meaning of which is absorb. Absorb. Synonyms are absorb or take in. Antonyms are release or drain out. Drain out is to remove. Towels soak up water quickly. Word 11 is backing, ing word, backing. Now this is not again present continuous or past continuous. It is a noun word, backing. That is support or help. Synonyms are support or sponsorship. Antonyms are opposition or rejection. Sentence, the project was possible with the backing of local companies. Word 12, alternative. Alternative, very good word again, which means another possible choice. It can be a noun or it can be an adjective also based on the sentence. The synonyms are option or substitute. Antonyms are same or original. Sentence, bicycles are an alternative to cars in busy centers. Now we have a phrase to learn. Far from solving our problems, sometimes words also help, and many a times phrases help us to complete the sentence and sound very formal. So here is the phrase which is far from solving our problems. That means it does not fix the issue, rather it makes it more worse. It is a phrase and the synonyms are failing to solve or not correcting. Antonyms, solving or resolving. Resolving, again a very good word. Whatever words I am insisting that they are good, all my students, please do write sentences and learn those words. You really sound very good. Sentence. Building more roads is far from solving our problems. It increases traffic. So, what is the meaning of far from solving our problems? That is, it is not fixing the issue and rather it is making it more worse. The 14th word is worst of all. Again, a phrase. That means the most serious or negative part of something. Synonyms: most seriously or most importantly. Antonyms: best of all or most helpful. The exam was difficult, and worst of all, I forgot my calendar. And what was the most serious thing? I forgot my calculator. Word 15 is barely. 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 That means almost not or hardly. Hardly is a negative word. It is not the extension of the word hard and hardly. No. Many children just misinterpret the word hard and hardly. No, hardly is nothing. Hard is difficult. It is an adverb. As we know, ly words are generally adverbs. Synonyms are scarcely or hardly. Scarcely is very less in amount. Antonyms are completely or fully. He was barely awake during class. He was barely awake during class. That means he was completely asleep, almost asleep. Similarly, we have the next word which is bare, B-A-R-E. Bare is empty, without covering, without covering. It is again an adjective. Synonyms are naked or exposed. Antonyms are covered or full. Sentence: the room looked bare with no furniture. That means the room was empty and it had no furniture. Word 17 is counter. Act against something. It is a verb. Opposite and resist are synonyms, and support and accept are antonyms. Experts countered the false claims with research. Countered. Countered is act against something. 18th word is fell out of favor. Fell out of favor. That is become unpopular. It is a phrase. Favor is liking or liked, so it is becoming unpopular. Synonyms are declined in popularity or losing support. Antonyms: become popular or gained favor. Favor is liking again. CDs fell out of favor when digital music arrived. One more time. CDs fell out of favor when digital musics arrived. 19th word is blended with, that is mixed with. It is a phrase. Synonyms are mixed with or combined with. Antonyms are separated or isolated. Sentence: yogurt is blended with fruit to make smoothies. The last word for the class, which is it is not surprising. That is something which is expected or understandable. So you expected something to happen. You understood that something is the consequence of something. So the phrase is, it is not surprising. This is a phrase which means naturally or obviously with synonyms and surprisingly and unexpectedly as antonyms. The sentence is, with his hard work, it's not surprising that he passed easily. Very fine. That was a good list of 20 words again. Watch the earlier series if you haven't, and if you are watching, of course, the most important thing is do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Let the family grow. Spread the videos to your friends. Happy learning until then.